Are you tired of your money just sitting in a regular checking account, earning nothing? What if your everyday spending could actually be working for you? We're talking about the Wealthsimple checking account. It's not your traditional checking account. It's a powerful hybrid that combines the best of a checking account and a high-interest savings account. Let's break down the features and rates that make this a game changer. First, let's talk about the fees. Or rather, the lack of them. There are no monthly fees, no account minimums, and no everyday fees like Interac e-transfer or foreign transaction fees. It's completely free to use. Now for the best part, the interest rates. Your money in a Wealthsimple checking account actually earns interest. While a standard bank checking account offers little to no interest, Wealthsimple's rates are a tiered system based on your overall assets with the company. It starts at a competitive rate for all clients and increases as you reach higher client tiers. For example, a core client earns 1.75%, while a premium client earns 2.25%. The highest interest rate of 2.75% is available to generation clients. And if you set up a direct deposit of at least $2,000 per month, you can get an extra 0.5% boost on your interest rate, making your money work even harder. You get a prepaid MasterCard to use for your daily spending. And with it, you can earn 1% back on all your purchases. The cash back can be received in cash or as an investment in stocks. You also get fee-free ATM withdrawals across Canada. Wealthsimple will even reimburse you up to $5 per withdrawal if the ATM charges a fee. The Wealthsimple checking account is also CDIC protected up to $1 million, which is significantly more than what a traditional bank offers. The account comes with a suite of features you'd expect from a modern financial app, like mobile check deposits, bill payments, and the ability to easily send and receive money with friends using a handle. You can even set up automated transfers to move money from your checking account into your investment accounts. It's the perfect way to make saving and investing a seamless part of your life. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.